Today we're making these vegan or non-vegan sausage bread flowers. They're super simple to make and a lot of fun to eat and enjoy. So let's get baking. But make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss my Simple is Smart tip or my neuronutrition nugget for this recipe.
Thank you for joining me and
for helping me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, 2023.
Let's get baking and make some delicious sausage bread flowers. These sausage bread flowers will require you to either make or purchase a couple of items. You will need to either make or purchase 16 ounces of pizza dough and 12 either vegan or non-vegan sausages. I have a recipe on my website at growwithdrjoanette.com where you can find the recipe for both the pizza dough and the vegan sausages. I do not have a recipe for non-vegan sausages. Those will need to be purchased. Once you have your 16 ounces of pizza dough, let it rise until it's double in size, and then you are ready to make your sausage bread flowers. Once you have the 12 equal portions, go ahead and roll each piece or portion out into a 6 by 6 inch square of dough. This becomes the coating for your sausage. This is a fun recipe to make with kids as they love to roll out the dough and arrange the cut pieces of sausage bread into the flowers, as well as paint the egg wash and sprinkle the sesame seeds on at the end. Once you have your 6-inch square piece of dough, roll up the sausage in that piece of dough until the sausage is completely coated with dough, and then cut it into 6 equal portions. Those 6 pieces of sausage are then arranged into a flower shape on a piece of parchment-lined baking sheet. Go ahead and repeat the process for all 12 pieces of dough until you have 12 lovely flowers on your baking sheet. Once your flowers are all on your baking sheet, if you have a smaller baking sheet, you may need to use 2, and that's okay. Use plenty of room between the flowers so that they don't run together and stick to each other during the rising period.
For this recipe's Simple is Smart tip, I made the bread as well as the sausage for today's recipe. However, to save time, make this recipe quick and simple. Simply purchase pizza dough in the refrigerated section of the grocery store, and you can purchase either vegan or non-vegan sausage or even hot dogs. Either of them will make this recipe simple, easy, and delicious.
Go ahead and cover your parchment-lined baking sheet with its lovely flowers on it and let them rise for about 45 minutes. After about 30 minutes, turn your oven on to 350 degrees. and let it preheat. Once your oven is preheated and your flours are nice and puffy, remove your covering and use an egg wash to coat the tops of them. I use a vegan egg wash here. However, if you're a strict vegan and you're also making non-vegan ones, you're going to want to separate them with your vegan egg wash and your non-vegan egg wash. Sprinkle with a few sesame seeds, and you are now ready to bake your beautiful sausage bread flours. Pop them into the oven, bake them for about 23 minutes, and they will be golden brown and nice and puffy.
For today's neuronutrition, we are going to talk about mushrooms. Mushrooms are loaded in antioxidants. Antioxidants are so good for your brain because they help protect it against oxidative stress, which causes damage and destruction of our brain cells. In addition to all of the different antioxidants that are in mushrooms, it has another substance called beta-glucans. Beta-glucans are a substance that will stimulate our immune system, and in addition to that, it's been shown in studies to promote and stimulate the growth of new brain cells.
Once you take them out from the oven, let them cool a little bit, and I love to serve them warm with some warm marinara sauce to dip them in. You can make homemade marinara sauce using the recipe on my website, or just purchase a jar of marinara sauce for dipping. Either way, the sausage bread flours are delicious in addition to being beautiful. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe. Also, for this recipe, as well as many other vegan or non-vegan recipes, go to my website at growwithdrjoanette.com.